Okay, guys. So if you want to get the backup of your database, or if you need to create the database backup and also export it by using the Webmin, how exactly you can do that? As you can see, I have the Webmin. I have logged in with my account. So you have to log in with your account first of all. So you have two sections: virtual min, Webmin. So if we click on the Webmin, I've already clicked. If you go to the servers and also click on the Maria database or MariaDB, it will redirect you from home page to the specific page. So if you click on the project name, you want to create the backup. So here, as you can see, you have the backup database options. Just click on the backup database option. Here, all are the default settings. Just need to click on the download in browser. You just need to click on the download in browser. So when you click on this one, just click on the backup now. When you click on the backup now button, it will redirect you or give you the file name. I'm saying backup XYZ. Download it now. Boom. You are downloading your backup as a SQL file. So this is the simplest and the fastest way to download your backup. Okay, so let me explain another thing. If you want to create the backups and you want to save that particular backup in your or on your server, you have to select this one and also give the file name. You can also click on the other backup options and select the other backup option like gzip, unit, and also select according to your need. So you are saying hourly backup, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and when system boot. It's up to you. Either you want to send that particular backup as an email, just define the email like this one, and also select appropriate options only on failure, only on success, all backups. It's up to you. Click on the backup, boom, you are done. And also select your time, hourly, day, months, and also other kind of things from here. So I have the internet speed, which is too slow. That's why it's still downloading. By the way, it's 18.6 MB of database, the same database I have. So this way you can download the database.